3 tips for branded gifts that stand out. Want to leave a lasting impression on your clients and partners? Branded gifts are a classy way to keep your brand top of mind, but they need to be done right. Simply slapping your logo on a mug won't cut it. Discover 3 essential tips to make sure your branded gifts are truly memorable. Corporate gifts are everywhere, making it hard to stand out. That's where personalization comes in. Instead of another generic hoodie, consider their personal tastes. A customized gift shows thoughtfulness and creates a lasting impression. Branded gifts are great for onboarding, promotions, and corporate events. But when celebrating professional milestones or employee birthdays, gifts without logos often feel more meaningful. Tailor your gift to the moment. A tastefully placed logo and subtle brand colors make your gift feel like a token of appreciation, not just a marketing tool. Keep your branding visible, but never overwhelming. Let Ace of Hearts gift baskets personalize your corporate gifts. If you're looking to make a lasting impression with thoughtful branded gifts, Ace of Hearts gift baskets is your go-to solution for curating and delivering personalized corporate gifts worldwide. Email us today at corporate@aceofheartsgiftbaskets.com to discover more about our offerings.